In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in to multiple Gmail accounts in laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is firstly open up your browser of choice. So I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Now, let's say, I'm logged into one Google account. Let's say you want to log into more. What you're going to do is click your profile icon on the top right, and then you're going to see show more accounts as one of the options. As you can see, I'm logged into multiple already. So all you want to do now at this point is press add another account, which is going to be right here. Once you go ahead and click on it, it's going to prompt you to the sign in section where you're going to have to enter in your email address and then obviously your password as well. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. And of course, if you want to sign into another email and log into multiple Gmail accounts, you can also create an account if you're making a new Gmail account as well. But that's entirely up to you. And then you can just switch accounts, just by clicking on whichever profile and then heading over to Gmail as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.